Hey everybody, it's Jonathan Rose and welcome to Master the Trading Live. So I'm traveling, I've got some family issues I have to deal with, but we're still gonna have a live every single day the stock market's open. Let's first, what we always do, look at the VIX. What's going on with the VIX? VIX is offered, right? Not a lot of uncertainty in the market. Next, look at the SPY, S&Ps, nice and strong. Take a step back. S&Ps are strong. Last week's high, guys, 755, 752 is this week's high. That's going to be major resistance. QQQ, same thing, just super strong up here, right? The market is strong. Shorts pulling back a little bit, but it's just volatility. The market's sitting on its high. The one big number, guys, here's what I want you to watch for. IWM. IWM, as we were talking, IWM led the way up. So IWM led the market on the way up. Even when things were weak, IWM stayed strong. So with that being said, now that the market is soft, pulling back a little bit, IWM, this is the key level. The low for today is 292, but these are the highs. Highs 292, high 292, low 292, low 292. If I put this on a weekly, you should be able to see a little bit more clear just how powerful that level is. So the one thing to watch right now, without a doubt, is that IWM. Now, my favorite trade. My favorite trade is a trade that I've been talking about for a couple of weeks now, and it's all about refiners. Refiners. The way to follow the refiners, guys, is you can follow what's called the crack spread. Here's all the refiners. Let me put them in market cap. Biggest, Exxon, CVX, Shell, Velo. Some of the smaller ones, which we like, CVI, DK, PBF, Dyno. I always like to chart all the refiners together. I am bullish, every single refiner. But we're always looking relative value, right? So we want to look at refiners relative to other refiners. And what do we have here? On a weekly, here are all the refiners: PAR, CVI, DK, Dyno, PSX. Right here, this is what we're looking at. CVI is the cheapest of all the refiners, so that's why we're staying very bullish refiners. And again, the key is look at that crack spread. The crack spread is literally the profit margin for these refiners. So when the market's really volatile, right? SPY's volatile, IWM's volatile, the Qs are volatile. Look where others aren't looking. What about the metals? What about oil? What about refiners? Refiners, there's a smart bid under them, but it's also timely because look what happens if I pull up CL. CL is going to be oil, right? What did we have? Oil spikes going into war. Boom. Oil retraces when there's some peace. Well, guys, I don't think there's very much peace in the Middle East right now. So oil takes a smart bid right at its 200 period moving average. Bullish oil right here. I think that oil is going to settle in this 85, 90 type area, but we want to stay long refiners. That's the best trade on the board right now, especially with this volatility. Stay long refiners. And my other favorite is Ubers. I think Uber's going to get bought out. I'm not sure when, but I think Uber's going to get bought out. Nancy Pelosi's on board, so we are staying long Uber. Guys, I'm going to have a video every single day for the Masters in Trading Live. My name is Jonathan Rose, owner, Masters in Trading. We'll be back tomorrow. Happy trading.